Me, I am a passenger. Yeah, me, I am a passenger. Yo, way. It's rare for me to be seated in this position, Petty. I've only done it maybe 2-3 times. Yeah. That was nice, man. That was nice, man. That was nice.
Stock.
Yeah, stock. No, I was Buddhans come seeing about why you know everything stock, private. Everything stock, man.
Nice. I should stock Nandi. That sound.
Yeah, that sound.
I mean, it's a fake.
Like that sound name. Yeah. It's just crazy, man.
And I'm just gonna give mine to one of these guys under the trees.
Yeah, and then they'll do their magic.
I know they're always speeding, bro.
Yeah, I mean, like it talks to you. It tells you like, hey, push me. Even though you're not in the mood. Yeah, you can. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get like what I need.
You don't need the radio, yeah.
Yeah. The radio has to be your exhaust, man. It feels so nice to be in the passenger seat, man. Like, hey, man, like yo. It feels that nice, man. Yo, man. It's rare for me to trust people with this car. But when I know you're a Polo GTI driver, so more or less the same. Yeah, more or less the same. Even the way you go through your speed humps, hey man, some trying to for you speed hump, and then you go like yo.
But on the
exactly. Yeah. It's just driving like exactly, man. So when I know, it's your car is very similar to this in a way. So
I'm with these cars.
When I'm Kibulale, Mara, Oledi.
So look on GTI pedal shift, it doesn't go to manual, ne?
Yeah,
you can still use the auto.
Yeah. It does not automatically go to manual.
Because I mean, I'm going to the pedal shift.
Automatically.
Yeah, it goes to like sport mode.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like a sport mode. Mzala.